Your data is not just messy, it costs you time, money, and lost opportunities. What if you could clean, validate, and transform millions of rows in seconds? Forgot hours of struggle with the tool that you are using? Let me show you how DataFusion by usoftinfotech takes your raw data and transform it into powerful insights instantly. Every business today depends on data. But for financial companies, analysts, and the industries like healthcare, retail, and manufacturing, the challenge is real. Pulling files from the multiple sources, fixing global addresses, validating emails, checking domains, and the list never ends. That's why businesses need something faster, smarter, and built for today's data challenges. Here I am showing you some features of DataFusion. The first one, DataFusion's 200 plus built-in formulas. For example, here I have lot of raw data that brings from the LinkedIn application. Here I have direct button called LinkedIn Data Arrange. Let me check how it works. I am selecting all the data and pressing the button. Wow, it rearranges the data into a clean format automatically. Next, let's talk about cleaning contact names and emails. With the tool that you are using, you would waste hours manually fixing errors. But in DataFusion, it splits full names into your first, middle, and last names. And for the email workflows, you can generate emails, validate them, check domains, and the spot generic addresses, all built inside of it. Here the example too. Also, we have the button called address split. Here I have some data related to global addresses with different formats and from different countries. Now I am clicking the button. Let's see how it turns. See the refined data results. It splits the address accurately by understanding the global data formats. DataFusion also takes care about your company and website data. It checks web domains automatically and validates zip codes and phone numbers globally, saving hours of manual work. We build custom single-click buttons in the application as per your business needs that can save you time and make you more productive. Also, you can import CSV, text, DBF, PDF, Excel, JSON, and more all in one click. Also, we have two special buttons. Those can push and retrieve data directly from the servers. And soon, we are planning to integrate automation. Then you can pull raw data straight from your sources, clean it, and deliver ready-to-use reports without you lifting the finger. With DataFusion, you can create dashboards, build real-time charts, KPIs, and track performances instantly. The tool that you are using, which may slow down with massive datasets. DataFusion processes millions of rows in seconds, making it the perfect fit for the financial firms and data resellers. So if you are still relying on the tool where you are working too hard, it's time to upgrade your tool. From cleaning LinkedIn exports to validating emails to automating imports and building dashboards, it's everything your business needs in one platform. Click the link below to book your demo today.